Welcome to Food Talk with Sharon. As you all know, we have been following the theme of healthy and balanced eating for the month of Jan. But then who doesn't like to cheat in between? And festivals are the right time for that. So yes, on the occasion of Lohri and Makar Sankranti, I bring to you a festival special recipe by my friend Pooja. So Pooja, what are we making today?
Today we are making a special, or you can say a very traditional sweet called Til Bugga.
Okay.
Til Bugga is a very oldest form of recipe, and it is very popular in North India during the winter time, and yes, of course, during the festival time. So Lohri is a time when we specially prepare this kind of sweet. So Til Bugga, Til is sesame seeds, and Bugga is sweet in Punjabi.
Okay.
So Til or sesame seeds, naturally good source of fats and also warm in nature. So we can have as much as we want.
Okay, so that's one of the reason why it's
Yes.
prepared so much during winter time.
Yes.
Okay. So let's quickly check out the recipe.
Yes.
But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like our recipe, please do like and share it with your friends and family too. So Pooja, what are the ingredients we need for making these laddus?
Alright, so the ingredients are very basic one. Normally we have it in the household.
Okay.
So we have sesame seeds, til,
Yes.
then we have powdered sugar,
Okay.
and then we have mawa or
Okay.
koa, we call it.
So that's what helps to bind these
the
two together.
laddus,
Okay,
yes.
great.
So we start with the dry roasting the sesame seeds,
Okay.
and
So this should
pan
be enough?
is good enough.
Okay.
Now first we start with dry roasting the sesame seeds.
Okay.
Quantity, we are using equal quantity for all the three ingredients.
So that's
Til,
then very easy to remember.
very easy to remember. Til, sugar and mawa, all
Okay.
three in same quantity.
Okay.
So we start dry roasting the tils or the sesame seeds first.
And what about temperature? I have now kept it on low.
It has to be medium high, and
Okay.
you just have to ensure that the tils are not over roasted,
Okay.
as it will get bitter in taste.
Okay.
So once they lose the moisture and they start, you can smell the aroma.
Okay. And
So then
that's
you just
when
turn up the
turn
heat.
it on.
Now you can see the nice aroma coming.
Yes. So it's just about 2 to 3 minutes. That's
Yes,
it. That's what it takes. Okay. So we can turn it off and remove it from
yes.
heat, right?
And then you just let it cool down for a couple of minutes.
So we have dry roasted the sesame seeds
Yes.
now, and we need to let it cool down. So
Yes.
once it cools down, what is the next step?
Then we coarse grind it. So after grinding the sesame seeds, the texture look like this.
So what is the next step now?
So next step, we would be roasting the mawa.
Okay.
And then we have to ensure that the mawa is not over roasted. If it gets too much brown in color, it will not taste good.
Okay.
It will taste a bit bitter. And
so I
then,
really like this recipe because everything has to be just roasted a little, so it's very less
Very-
cooking time,
yes.
and it comes out pretty fast
Yes.
when you're making
it's
it.
a quick recipe because not too much roasting is required.
Yes.
And then all the ingredients are also ready made.
Yes. So it has to melt, right?
Yes.
But then we have to be careful it doesn't change its color.
Yes.
So it has started.
Melting now. A little bit of change of color is also okay, but not too much.
So in this stage, it's fine.
Yes. So this is the perfect texture of the mawa that we're looking for.
So we turn off the heat
Turn
now.
off the heat now.
And while it's hot itself, we need to add the
Yes.
rest of the ingredients.
Cardamom powder is also an option. In case you like that flavor, you can add a bit of
tiny pinch of
powdered cardamom.
So these are chopped cashews. So
Yes.
that gives a like bite to the
nutty
laddus.
taste.
Yes. So now that all the ingredients are added, Pooja has asked me to remove it off the induction because that residual heat shouldn't cook it further, right?
So the rest of the mixing we'll have to use the hands.
Okay.
Because that's how we bind the laddu.
Okay,
And
great.
we need to ensure that all the mixture is nicely covered.
This is the size we are looking at. And while it's hot, it's very easy to make these into laddus as well. It's very easy to bind. Once it goes cold, it'll become difficult to bind this together.
So I hope you have all enjoyed the recipe that we have showed today, and I wish you all a very, very happy Lohri and Makar Sankranti too.
So wish you all a very happy Lohri and Makar Sankranti.